outage. Today, people are cleaning up after high winds toppled trees and power lines throughout the area. In Wilmington this morning, crews were out repairing a roof after a tree hit it overnight. WBZ's Meiler has more on the cleanup.
Strong wind gusts brought a large tree crashing down on Troll Road overnight, pulling down power lines and snapping utility poles in half. Crews are now on scene working to make repairs, hoping to get the power turned back on soon.
We heard a lot of booms, a lot of crashes.
Whipping winds brought down branches, wires, and utility poles in Tewksbury, waking up neighbors in the middle of the night.
I thought it was the roof coming off, but it was very loud.
Just the wind, it was just crazy.
When a tree fell on Troll Road, it pulled on the power lines, snapping these telephone poles like toothpicks.
That's pretty crazy. It looks like somebody cut it in half.
On Wisconsin Road, the top of a pole was sheared off and dangling over the street. Police say they responded to multiple calls across town throughout the night for wind damage. About 300 customers in Tewksbury woke up without any power on this frigid April morning.
When we woke up, there was no electricity, and it's about 62 in our house right now.
Is your house cold?
Yes, it is cold.
Police are keeping part of Troll Road blocked off while crews bring in new poles and make repairs. Neighbors, weary after a long winter full of storms and outages, are hoping the power is back on soon.
We're just hoping that they do it fast enough.
Tewksbury police are asking drivers to be cautious and to avoid any downed wires. They say there were no reports of any injuries. Reporting from Tewksbury, Anna Meiler, WBZ News.